Welcome to the University of Arizona Campus Arboretum channel. My name is Kara, and I'm here to talk with you today about another amazing desert plant. The pomegranate tree, or Punica granatum, is a deciduous tree native to Iran or northern India that thrives in our desert environment. The University of Arizona was established as a land-grant institute in 1891. University botanists not only recognized the value of the unique vegetation growing in the Sonoran Desert, but they also understood how much our flora shares with other arid regions of the world. Decades before the study of ecology, UA faculty traveled around the world to see what could be learned from other countries about growing in the desert. Plants collected were brought back to the Tucson campus and evaluated for their ability to perform in our climate. As a result, there are hundreds of desert-adapted trees and shrubs from around the world growing on the University of Arizona campus grounds. Today, we feature one fresh pick from the collection, pomegranate. The little pomegranate tree has traveled a long way through history to bloom under the Sonoran Desert sun. It is believed to have been carried with Spanish missionaries to the Americas, and this hot, dry environment has been a perfect place to set down roots. Beginning in the late 1600s, Spain established missions in the western United States from southern Arizona up through California as part of the Spanish mission system of colonization. In Arizona, Tumacacori Mission was the first of more than 20 missions to be founded by Jesuit Father Kino in 1691. The arid climate and the need for agricultural crops to supply the self-supporting missions made the orchard and vegetable garden necessary to these far-flung settlements. It was within the safety of walled gardens that fruit trees, grapevines, and vegetables were grown to feed the residents of the mission. In the fields outside the garden walls, grains and livestock were tended. Existing native crops included corn, cotton, squash, sunflowers, and beans, as well as wild edibles. The Spanish brought many fruits, such as pomegranates, grapes, apricots, peaches, apples, along with other foods such as wheat and livestock. This style of gardening was heavily influenced by the Persian gardens of long ago. On the Iranian plateau, remains of what is believed the oldest paradise garden dates to 2000 BC. Paradise is taken from the Persian word paradata, meaning garden. This word was later borrowed by the Greeks, and its meaning evolved into a heavenly place. These gardens were walled, which kept unwanted things out, like animals, plants, winds, and supplied a private oasis. The arid climate of modern-day Iran made these beautiful gardens a remarkable source of inspiration across the globe. Mughal gardens in Pakistan, Afghanistan, and India were influenced by these first paradise gardens, as were many gardens across Europe and the United States. As the Spanish settled missions across the southwestern United States, the influence of the paradise garden was clear. The pomegranate was one of several important fruit trees to be cultivated inside walled Spanish missions in the Southwest. Growing to 16 feet tall and 26 feet wide, the multi-stemmed pomegranate tree looks like a vase-shaped shrub. Glossy amber leaves emerge in late winter, followed by bright red flowers with up to 7 petals. Through the late spring and early summer, juicy fruits swell heavy on thin branches, finally ripening in August or September. There can be 200 to 1,400 seeds, called arils, inside the shiny skinned fruits. Whiter red varieties well suited to this region include Sosa, Ruby, Josefina, Quito Baquito, Edward Canyon, and San Javier. The well-known Wonderful variety also grows well here. The pomegranate has many cultural and religious references, and is also mentioned in ancient texts, such as the anonymously written Homeric hymn to Demeter, as well as Ovid's Fasti and Metamorphosis. The pink, red, or white pulp surrounding the seed can be eaten raw, juiced, or used in cooking. Known as one of the highest antioxidant-containing foods, the pomegranate can promote optimal health. Studies have found that reducing cellular damage, supporting joint health, inhibiting cancer cell proliferation, or preventing inflammation are some of the many benefits of eating pomegranates. Arizona most commonly has clay-rich, alkaline soils that many plants struggle to grow in due to the difficulty high pH creates for plant iron uptake. The beautiful pomegranate tree doesn't miss a beat. It flourishes in alkaline soil, making it a perfect addition to desert gardens, if they're located within USDA hardiness zones 7 to 11. The plants populating most of the 400-acre campus have been collected over the last 125 years. They are a historical part of the university's land-grant commitment of ongoing research and educational missions. These trees symbolize the university's ongoing dedication to sustainable desert horticulture and represents the cultural evolution of the Southwest from the past to the present. The Campus Arboretum provides tours intended to help you learn the identities of many trees and plants which grow on campus. You can find more information about all the UA Campus Arboretum tours and resources at our website by following the link provided. We hope you enjoy the beauty, history, and usefulness of our Arboretum plants and trees as much as we do. Thank you for watching. Please tune in next time to learn more about amazing desert plants.